Hello and welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a animated floating WhatsApp chat button in your WordPress website. For example, I'm navigating a staging website and you can see an animated floating WhatsApp button in the website. So now let's see how you can add this kind of WhatsApp chat button without any code in your WordPress website. First of all, you'll have to navigate your WordPress admin dashboard and go to plugin and click add new. When you click add plugin, you can see we have two options, one for search and another for upload plugin. If you search in Google animated floating chat button, you will get exactly same thing or same link. Just download this plugin and upload it and activate. If you wish to search in WordPress repository, just search for animated floating chat button. After that, you can see a plugin called animated floating chat button. Just install this plugin and hit activate. Now if you navigate your website, you can see any of animated or WhatsApp chat button. So what you'll have to do, you just have to navigate chat button, then enter your WhatsApp number and write something. This is a welcome message and just click visibility on front end. Then click Save Changes. Now if you navigate your website, you will see an awesome WhatsApp animated floating chat button. I test this plugin with lot of reputed theme as well, and every theme it works perfectly. But if you face any kind of issue, you just drop a comment in the video section, so I'll figure it out and fix and send you latest version of plugin. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully this video will help you to add an awesome floating WhatsApp chat button in your WordPress website.